Here we go, everybody. Are you ready? No, it sounds funny, but it does seem. Hello, everyone. Hello, around the world. Today is Sunday, and I feel easy like Sunday morning because it's Sunday morning. It's another day, another time to learn. Today is market overview, pre-market overview. We're going to be looking at what kind of situation we are having from the market and how we're going to set up for a trading plan in the week to come. All right, without any further ado, let's get straight into the chart. All right, on the very first page we're going to be looking at today, we're going to be looking at the USD card. All right, we're going to look at the USD card. The USD card, spoke about it last time when we had price here last week. And I spoke about this, that price was here. And we had this massive sell to this structure here, which we hopped up the market. And now the market have started another push, and we're back in the buy. All right, back to here, if you hopped out. Now for this week, what we want to be doing this week, we want to be waiting for a bit of confirmation. All right, maybe some bit of pullback into this structure here. All right, but why do you want to see that structure? All right, because looking at the daily time frame, this was an hidden structure in the market, and anytime you have a breakout, we expect a retest of this structure, then price will then make a move to the upside. So why do we believe that price will make a move to the upside from here? We had is that price actually did this correction, the A, B, C, D, and E. All right, we expect the price to make a break. It says back this area here, which could turn to a B. All right, we expect that. And from the H4, we're going to be waiting for price because it has started doing a retracement. Once we have price inside of the area, we will look for reaction of the area to buy price back, at least to target this zone. Here, trend line first. Then we could look for new directions for the market. And here, our risk will now be 1. Our reward will now be massive. All right, that'll be 1 is 2.5 risk to reward trade, and it's a good position to be. Okay, so we're going to look at another pair, which is the pound USD. Okay, from the weekly time frame, we had it that price broke above this level of structure, and price made this double top here. Then started retracing. We could expect that price to actually come back to bounce here. All right, but all the same, that is a situation we need to evaluate and see. All right, but what can we see from the daily time frame? From the daily time frame last week, on Monday, we had this piercing candle here. Right, we had this piercing candle there. All right, let's make this beautiful. We had this piercing candle here because this candle opened below and closed more than 50%. So this is a piercing candle, and which indicates a bullish momentum. So this is an impulse, and what could be happening here could be a correction. All right, but that we do not know at the moment, but we need to see reasons to believe that that is a confirmation or a retracement. All right, so on the H4, what do you want to see from the H4? We want to see that this was a clear level of structure here. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be waiting until price can break above the level of structure here. And on the retest, we can look to buy with the right risk to reward into targeting this structure. From the weekly time frame, all right, okay, we could buy into targeting this structure here and also here, because using your Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low, we could see that the area here conforms better with the 50% Fibonacci level and also the 61.8. So if price could actually start making retracement up to this zone, anything below here that will give us a good entry, we will look to buy instead of this area. So let's see, swing high, swing low to swing high. Right, we had that price has bounced off the 61.8 Fibonacci level and could start doing another impulse to the upside. All right, so what do we have with the Euro USD? We had that price did retrace around this area here. All right, price is around the 1.100 and then move back down. So once price was able to get up to this zone, what we want to do with the signal was to sell back into this structure here. Okay. So for this week, what we look to do with the Euro USD will be to wait at least for a retest of this structure here. Then we could look to sell back into this structure here. So that will give us risk up here. All right, so that will not be a good trade. So we'll not be taking any trade from the Euro USD this week because it's not a good position to be. Okay, what do you have with the Aussie USD? Last week we spoke about this pair that you want to see a correction back to here, and everything looks bullish. Last week we had this candle here, but at the end of the day, the candle could not break below the previous structure. Last week, price did try to break above, but couldn't. Actually, still close back here. So from the daily time frame, what do we have? Daily time frame, we have it that price broke above this resistance and is back. So this could actually turn support that we do not know at the moment. All right, we do not know at the moment. So overall, we want to sell the Aussie USD. But also notice the price have kept making new highs. So what the thing we want to be doing, we're waiting for market to actually start making new lows. All right, such as this. And the retest, we could look to continue selling into this area here. All right, but at the moment, from the H4, we do not have anything concrete. So we could expect the price could actually retrace into that zone at the least. So if you have this pullback in the new week, into this zone. We could look to sell back to here. Okay, so that would be a 1:7.4, which is not really a good trade. So we can't be taking that trade this week. Okay, so let's quickly share the trades which we want to be taking this week. Will be the Euro AUD, which one we're buying here, targeting this zone. We have a risk here, and that will be a 1:4 risk to reward trade, and it's a good position to be for this week. I don't want to start all over with the analysis all over again, but I will just have to throw more light on it, on why. If you know your candlestick formation properly, you understand that this was a downtrend from this high down to here, and we had this candle here forming. All right, this is a reversal pattern of the piercing candlestick pattern, and then price moved from that point up, then did a retracement from this zone back to here, and we could expect the next push to break in this zone into the 127 Fibonacci level. All right, swing high to swing low. This is where we want to be taking our profit, the 127 Fibonacci, and also we'll be targeting the 1.618 this week. So that's what I think of the pay. All right, so let's go straight into another pay, the pound card. We want to see some bit of retracement back into here. Why? Last week, price went into indecision position, and price is also trading around this key structure in the market. So we could expect that the market will actually do a retracement up to this point, or this zone. So using our line chart, we could have it that this is a level 2. So this was indecision, same as this, and we had price moving from that point on. On the daily time frame, what do we have? We would expect to see some bit of confirmation as to how to get involved to buying the pound back into the zone for retracement, and then we can back then sell it down to this structure here. Okay, so we go next to the Euro JPY. Okay, we had this preferred level of structure here, and the market did this push, but couldn't close. Now, what do we expect? The next push to downside, because market keep making lower lows and lower highs. So from the daily time frame, what do we have? We had that price had broken below here. So we look for some bit of confirmation to be involved in a sell trade back to this zone. So if we are to open a sell immediately, what will be our risk? What will be our reward? That will be 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. All right, but let's look at the H4. If we can find a clear confirmation, okay, we might just not. So we look to hop it on the trade here, target here, when the market opens, and the market does a pullback into this zone, we will open another sell back to here. All right. So this is also symmetrical with the CHF JPY. Want to see a pullback into this zone, and we could sell to completing this pattern here of the 1 to 6.4 weeks to reward trend. All right. So what do we have with the USD SAR? USD SAR currently doing a flat, running flat, not a flat, running flat. So we could expect a retest of this zone, but will not be involved. The market could actually break below, above this W leg or B leg. On the retest, we will look to buy, to breaking out of there. All right, because that is the same situation we had with the NEO USD. Okay. Have with the new USD. All right. After the market made this ABC, we want to buy, to targeting this zone back, and we are there. So we want to be doing the same to CHF JPY. All right. So that's all I have for the week. And I wish you a successful trading week and remain blessed. It's still the voice of Juvenile FX, and I hope to see you next time.